Forgot your WordPress username or password and can't get into your website? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to recover your login details and get back into your WordPress dashboard quickly and securely, even if you can't remember a thing about your credentials. So let's dive right into the easiest and safest way to regain access, using WordPress's own built-in password recovery. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head straight to your WordPress login page. This is usually found by typing your domain name followed by /wpAdmin. For example, if your site is example.com, you'd go to example.com/wpAdmin. If you're looking at the screen with the WordPress logo and the boxes for username and password, you're in the right place. Take a second to make sure you're actually at your site's real login page. Sometimes, if you have security plugins or custom setups, this page might look a little different, but in most cases, the address follows that basic structure. Now, right underneath those username and password fields, you'll see a small link that says "Lost your password." Don't overlook it. I know it's easy to focus on the login boxes, especially if you've been racking your brain, trying every combination you can think of. But this humble little link is your golden key when you're locked out. Go ahead and click it. This simple action is the doorway to resetting your password and getting your username reminder too. You'll be taken to a fresh page asking you for your email address. Here's a quick but important tip. You'll need to enter the same email address you used when you first set up your WordPress website or the one tied to your admin account. If you're not totally sure which email you used, try your most likely main one, something you'd check often. If you don't have access to that email anymore, this process gets trickier and you might need to go through your hosting provider for help, but most of us use our regular inbox. Once you've entered your email and submitted the form, pause for just a moment and head over to your inbox. Sometimes these emails arrive instantly, but other times you might need to wait for a minute or two, especially depending on your hosting or spam filters. While you wait, check your spam or promotions folders just in case the email landed there instead of your main inbox. It's pretty common, and it can be easy to miss if you have a busy email account. When you spot the reset email from WordPress, open it up. You'll see that it includes your username, so even if you forgot your username as well as your password, you'll get a quick reminder here. There's also a link to reset your password. Click that link and you'll be able to enter a brand new password. Try to choose something secure, maybe a mix of letters, numbers, and a symbol or two so your site stays safe. And here's a gentle reminder: jot down or save your new details somewhere secure. You wouldn't believe how often people forget them a second time. After you click save, your new password is active right away and you're ready to return to the login page. Use your freshly set password and the username provided in the email, and just like that, you should be right back in your WordPress dashboard ready to manage your site. And there you go. Regaining access to WordPress when you've forgotten your username or password is actually straightforward with this method. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like. It really supports the channel. If you have questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. We've got lots more tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and good luck with your WordPress site.